Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Hyundai Elantra tire pressure sensor. First, ensure all your tires, including the spare, are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended PSI. You can find this information on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. After adjusting the pressure, drive your Elantra for at least 10 minutes at a speed above 20 miles per hour. This often allows the system to automatically recalibrate and turn off the warning light. If the light remains on, you might need to perform a manual reset. Locate the TPMS reset button, which is usually positioned under your steering wheel. With the ignition on but the engine off, press and hold this button until the tire pressure warning light flashes 3 times. Release the button, turn off your ignition, and then restart your engine. Drive normally for about 20 minutes to allow the sensors to fully recalibrate. A continuously flashing TPMS light signals a system malfunction, often due to a failing sensor battery or damage. These sensors generally have a lifespan of 5 to 10 years, or between 50,000 and 100,000 miles. If your light is still on after trying the reset methods, it's best to have a professional diagnose the issue. They can accurately determine if a sensor needs to be replaced. For persistent TPMS problems, a certified mechanic or dealership has the specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to pinpoint the exact issue. Replacing and programming new sensors often requires specific equipment that isn't available to the average car owner. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.